Do you love the smell of fresh cut grass or spring rain? Just like these smells can evoke emotions, our Peace and Quiet blend at Simply Earth is formulated with the best calming essential oils to create feelings of calm and peace. This blend is made up of sweet orange, cedarwood, frankincense, and lime. These oils come together with those citrus notes and calming woody notes to create a really calming and relaxing blend. Orange and lime are both very uplifting oils. They can be used to help boost your mood, while cedarwood and frankincense are very calming oils. So pairing those together creates a very uplifting and calming atmosphere. Let's talk about some different ways to use Peace and Quiet essential oil blend. The simplest way is to put it in your diffuser, add a few drops to your diffuser, turn it on, and let it create a calming and peaceful atmosphere. Another way to use this blend is in a roll-on. Add 6 drops to a 10 milliliter roll-on bottle, fill it the rest of the way with a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil, apply it to pulse points for on-the-go aromatic support. We have a fun fizzy purple bath scoop recipe. It's a great take on a bath bomb, and you'll love using it with this blend to create a restful bath before bedtime. Check out the blog post in the description for more great recipes to try with our Peace and Quiet blend. Now let's make sure you know how to use it safely. Peace and Quiet is safe for kids aged 10 and up. It's best to avoid using this blender on cats as it contains citrus oils and cats are sensitive to citrus oils. Depending on your cat, this blend might not bother them, but use caution when you use it. Make sure to do it with the door open so that your cat can leave if the aroma distresses them. This blend is considered safe to use around dogs. Just always be mindful of your pet's behavior. Whenever you're using an essential oil on your skin, or if it's going to come in contact with your skin, dilute it with a carrier oil. Peace and Quiet is unlikely to be skin irritating, and following the dilution chart linked in the description box will make diluting this blend easy. Thanks for watching. To learn more about essential oils, subscribe to these videos.